San Francisco Tower, Skylane 20791, VFR 2000.
Skylane 20791, Subscriber, maintain VFR at or below 2000, cleared through Bravo airspace south and west of Highway 101, ident, San Francisco altimeter 3006.
Ident west of 101 and at or below 2000 VFR for 791 and cleared into the Bravo.
Altimeter 791, traffic departure roll, runway 28 left, United Airlines Heavy Boeing 777, report sighting traffic.
Traffic in sight for 791.
Cessna 791, caution wake turbulence, you may continue your transition, your discretion. Behind that traffic, maintain visual separation, the airport wind is 270 at 20.
Copy the winds and caution wake turbulence, and we'll continue our transition for 791 behind the traffic.
Sky 5524, caution jet blast, RNAV tie-dye, wind 270 at 20, runway 1 right, supposed to take off.
1 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV tie-dye, Sky was 5524.
United 450, contact narcotic departure, good day.
United 450, good day.
United 1509 Heavy, contact
Below
narcotic departure,
2,
good day.
just past 101.
Good day, United 1509 Heavy. Cessna 791, leaving Bravo airspace in about 2 miles. Contact narcotic departure control 135.1. Enjoy your tour.
35.1, thanks for all the help. Hope you have a good week for 791.
Hey, thanks, you as well.